water. Right now. Speed on this one. It's always better control. It's hard to fix the rope as well. Woo! Looks easy, but it's very slippery. The rock is flat.
Yeah, that looks like it's very slick.